Cosine law applications. Question 5. Two forest fire stations P and Q are 20 kilometers apart. A ranger at station P sees a fire 15 kilometers away. If the angle between the line PQ and the line from P to the fire is 21 degrees, determine the distance from station Q to the fire. Okay, so let's sketch this situation. Let's say this is the distance between P and Q. So we have P here and Q here. And now let's say there is a fire which a ranger sees P fire 15 kilometers away. If the angle between the line PQ and the fire from P is 21 degrees, so let's say the 21 degrees is kind of like this, right? Now, which is 15 kilometers away. So now let's try to label what we have. So we have this fire, let's say this is the fire F, and it is 15 kilometers away. P and Q, the distance between them is 20 kilometers. This angle is given to us as 21 degrees, right? So the angle between the two are given, right? And what we need to figure out is the distance of the fire from Q. So let us say that is the distance FQ which we need to find, right? So we can use cosine law and find it out. So that's the way to do this problem. So what we can do here is, you know what is cosine law? So we'll use cosine law and find this. Since we have a situation where you see side angle side, right? I'm repeating this so that you kind of get it. So we got to use cosine law, right? That is the basic. And cosine law says that any side which you want to find, let us FQ, so say square of that side is equals to sum of squares of the other two sides, which is 15 square plus 20 square minus 2 times product of these two sides, which is 15 times 20, times cosine of the angle between, right, times cos of 21 degrees, correct? So that is what the cosine law is. As simple as that. Now what you need to do is take out a calculator and figure out the answer. That's so simple. So 15 square plus 20 square minus 2 times 15 times 20 times cos of 21 equals to 64.85. So we get 64.85. So remember, this is FQ square, and therefore what is the distance from fire to the station Q? FQ will be square root of 64.85, right? That will be equal to 8.05 kilometers, right? So we can say that fire is approximately 8.05 kilometers away, correct? So that is our answer, 8.05. Now I would like you to think about another situation, and that is, let us assume for the time being that that the 21 degrees is not in this direction, but 21 degrees is in the other direction, correct? So then what is the situation, correct? Then what is the distance between P and Q? Let us say that the triangle could have been like this also, right? Like this, right? Let's think that the angle is 21 degrees, and let us say the distance we need to find is this angle. Let's say the fire is there at this side, 21 degrees, right? So let me extend this like this. There could be situations, and I could ask this question saying that towards west, right? If I give you the direction, then the figure may be like this, and the distance between the fire and station Q could have been like this. Do you understand? Now let us say this is our second scenario, right? This is PQ and that's the fire, correct? Now I would like you to solve this triangle on your own, right? This distance is 20, and from 15 kilometers is fire from P, right? If that is the scenario, then what is the distance from the fire station Q to the fire, right? So figure this out also, right? In general, we can do like this and solve a question, correct? It makes more sense since we write P to Q an angle, we are always measuring positive angles in counterclockwise, correct? So that is a good justification to just do part A and get an answer, right? Well, the situations could be like this also, right? So think about it and do this on your own. So that is an exercise for you to practice, okay? Thank you.